Oh my goodness, this is my lovely brother Bay.
What's good, world? How y'all doing? My name is IG Bolo. Keep daring. I need a haircut. I don't look a little rough. It's all good. You doing film for YouTube?
Welcome to the Slate Pire Royal Gems. I am a fashion, style, beauty, and more content creator. Like my husband always say, I am a minister of enjoyment. Please, this is the Empress Queenie Alive. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We all know Valentine's Day is coming up. And because I am such a Lippie queen, I had to try on SHEIN's SHEGLAM Classic Matte Lipstick Collection. The first color I'll be trying on is the ambiguous beige. After that color, I will be trying on the nude pink. After the nude pink, I'll be trying on Ladies' Night. After Ladies' Night, I'll be trying on Pool Party. And last but not least, Royal Gems, I'll be trying on the Rogue Extravagance. I think I had a little bit too much fun with that one. But please stay tuned and enjoy this mini haul. And I hope you find the lip color you are ready to rock and be sexy in and be confident in this Valentine's Day. Enjoy. Mwah.
Chilling at the club, pass me the rose. But I'm taking more shots than Jose. Baby, shake it for me, oh shit. I want hate and show me like Wendy. On to the next, let's flex. Just know that, baby, you're the best. No, I'll never be like your ex-man. Cause you're now chilling with the best man. Yes, mama, go down low. No fronting, go down low. I love you, girl, me sherry. It's very show me sherry. Baby, let me break it down for you, my lady. I got a cash to make you go crazy, make you look flashy all the days of the week. Always got me loving you, no I never stop. A beauty queen, yes you fly like Ivory. One in a million, Alabama pirates. My flow smooth like a pirate. Your body burning, hot plate, you're special. You a hot cake. Me, I fit chop you like conflict. Yes, I'm a boss like
As you can already see, I am loving this color. As we get into the darker colors, that's where I am flourishing, okay? With the other colors, I like them too, but as you have seen already, I had to line most of them with a brown liner, which is like my staple. I will call that the Queeniola staple, okay?
On to the next, let's flex. Just know that baby you're the best. No, I'll never be like your ex-man, cause you're now chilling with the best man. Yes, mama, go down low. No fronting, go down low. I love you, girl, me sherry. It's baby, show me sherry.
Actually, we're going to call the brown liner the Queeniola effect because it brings all of my lipsticks to life. Not just these lipsticks, but any lipstick I wear, I am most likely 100% of the time lined with a brown liner. As you have seen earlier, when I started trying to use the match liner, I have so many colorful liners, but I always end up using either a brown liner or a black liner. I have not used the black liner in a minute, but that brown liner though, it does it for me. Okay.
Baby, let me break it down for you, my lady. I got a cash to make you go crazy, make you look flashy all the days of the week. Always got me loving you, no, I never stop. A beauty queen, yes, you fly like Ivory. One in a million, Alabama pirates. My flow smooth like a pirate. Your body burning, hot plate, you're special. Do a hot cake, me I fit chop you like conflict. Yes, I'm a boss like Rose. Chilling at the club, pass me the rose. But I'm taking more shots than Jose. Baby, shake it for me, oh shit. I want hate and but you like waiting.
Oh, and did I mention that these lipsticks are actually on sale right now for $2 each? So I got all 5 for $10. 2, 4, 6, 8, $10, baby. You cannot beat that. And let me tell you, that red one, the Rogue Extravagance, that was the last lipstick I had put on for this video, and I had it on the whole day throughout the night, and I ate, I drank water, and the lipstick barely moved, and it was soft. Yes, it was a matte, but it was soft on my lips. It's just unbelievable. SHEGLAM did that. Thanks, SHEIN. Girls, men, grab yours for you. Grab yours for your wives, your girlfriends, your sisters, your mothers. Come on through. SHEGLAM for the win. Oh, please don't mind me. I am just feeling myself in this Rogue Extravagance, okay? I I'm feeling it, living in it, thriving in it, and just dancing a little bit for you. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have the color or colors you would like to rock this Valentine's Day. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and please let me know down in the comment section which was your favorite color. Stay blessed. I hope you'll join us next time. Mwah.
It's your baby. Let me break it down for you, my lady. I got a cash to make you go crazy, make you look flashy all the days of the week. Always got me loving you, no I'll never stop. A beauty queen, yes, you fly like Ivory. One in a million, Alabama pirates. My flow smooth like a pirate. Your body burning, hot plate, you're special. You a hot cake.